All right, guys, welcome back to Business Fundamentals. I am the business cowgirl, Alyssa Schaefer, and in this video, I decided to have a little fun. I poke fun at consulting and consultants all the time. I don't even have to explain to you about their reputation or anything about that. I was a consultant for more than 6 years, so not only do I understand, I lived it. And so on this video, I typed into Google, because Google knows all, what is another word for consultant? So I want to go over these with you guys and then vote below on what your favorite one is. So first one, advisor. All right, I kind of like that one. Kind of boring, Guide. It sounds a little bit like a tour guide. Over here is the water buffalo. Over here is the process automation for marketing. So I don't know. Counselor. Sometimes I felt like a counselor as a consultant, honestly. Expert. So expert, that sounds professional. The only thing is with expert is it doesn't leave you any room for the unknown. I mean, because the thing with technology is there's no one size fits all. There is never one answer to every problem. The reason that I want to help people, I want to help people know how to think about stuff. I want to help people figure out what their approach is so that we can find the right technical solution. So that's why I'm trying to rename this whole thing. I don't want to be a consultant. I want to be something else. I could be a specialist. Yeah, I am a specialist. I am a workflow specialist. Authority. I am definitely an authority. A pundit. All right, we're not going to call me that. Although if you vote that one, I will giggle incessantly. I'm an ace. Ooh, I like poker, and I grew up playing poker with my grandpa, so I'm a business analyst ace. I like it. A whiz. Well, that's appropriate. And the next one is wizard, because I always called myself the wizard behind the curtain, because when it came to consulting, it was a lot of, just talking. It was incessant communication with humans, and nobody really ever understood what they needed. And I always called myself the wizard behind the curtain because I had to just basically magically make solutions appear for them. Hotshot. Well, maybe. But I think that probably applies more to what I do with horses than what I do with consulting. Maven. Oh man, that makes me sound old. I'm sorry for anybody on here that's old. I'm not trying to, no shade. It just maven, a business maven. Oh man, that sounds like I'm like a ship ready to take sail. A senior doctor. Yeah, well, so I'm the business cowgirl, but I could be a business doctor. It's different. It's totally, but it really speaks to what I'm doing, which is I am diagnosing the real problem, not just fixing the symptoms, if you catch my drift. Specialist? Again, oh, Google. All right, guys, vote below on what you like the best.